Mirrors. Light sources send out light waves that travel in all directions. These waves spread out from the light source, just like if you were to throw a rock in the middle of a pond and create ripples on the surface of the water. In this section, we're going to discuss these light waves and how they reflect off of mirrors, which are smooth surfaces that reflect light to form images. Now, a plane mirror is what is generally in your bathroom or your bedroom. When you look into a plane mirror, your reflection appears upright. If you are 1 meter from your mirror, your image would also appear to be 1 meter behind the mirror. When light rays from a light source strike you, every point that is struck by the light rays reflect these rays so they travel in all directions. Let's say your friend is looking at you. These reflected light rays coming from you would enter your friend's eyes so that they could see you. However, if a mirror is placed between you and your friend, the light rays are reflected from the mirror back to your own eyes. Now, your brain always interprets light rays as if they travel in a straight line. Your brain does not realize that the light rays have been reflected and that they have changed direction. So when your brain sees a reflected image of you, it's actually perceiving it as though no light rays are passing through it, and this is called a virtual image. A virtual image formed by a plane mirror is always upright, and it appears to be as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Not all mirrors are flat like plane mirrors. If the surface of a mirror is curved inward, it is called a concave mirror. Concave mirrors reflect light waves to form images. However, the difference is the curved surface reflects light in a unique way. A concave mirror has an optical axis or an imaginary straight line drawn perpendicular to the surface of the mirror at its center. When light waves travel toward the mirror parallel to this optical axis, they reflect through a focal point. The image that is formed by the concave mirror is not virtual. Rays of light pass through the location of the image, and then a real image is formed when the light rays converge to form the image. The image that is formed is real, smaller, and upside down. A mirror that curves outward is called a convex mirror. Light rays that hit a convex mirror spread apart after they are reflected. The reflected rays never meet, so the image formed by a convex mirror is a virtual image. The image is always upright and smaller than the actual object is. Now, because convex mirrors cause light rays to spread apart, they allow large areas to be viewed. So you typically find convex mirrors in places like grocery stores or in rear view or side view mirrors of automobiles. Because the image created by a convex mirror is smaller than the actual object, your perception of distance can be distorted. So this is why automobile side view mirrors sometimes warn that objects in mirrors are closer than they appear. The different shapes of plane, concave, and convex mirrors cause them to reflect light in distinct ways. Each type of mirror has different uses, and this table summarizes the images formed by plane, concave, and convex mirrors. All right, after reviewing this table, it's time to show what you know.